is for Bianca. Pwede ka mag-answer as a character or hindi, but what advice would you give to someone who's experiencing the classic love triangle trope?
Ganda mo.
Thank you!
Saray. Siguro ako, huwag kang take your time in choosing. Hindi naman tayo nauubusan ng oras para mamili. And siguro keep this short, but just love as much as you want to. Hindi mo kasalanan na maganda ka at minamahal ka ng dalawang tao.
Thank you! And for my next question po, it's for Direk. What aspects po did the BB House trio play that helped shape the entire film?
I'm sorry?
What aspects po during the BBB House that the trio played in helping shaping the film?
Marami. Actually, marami. I'll just identify some. But in terms of dynamics, without spoiling it, of course, that's why I have to just limit it. First skills, like Dustin, we saw na nabitin siya sa pool ng BBB. So, binigyan namin siya ng isang mahabang pool talaga dito. The dynamics, yung... hirap kasi I might spoil the movie eh. Tapos nun yung si Vic being the good son, nation son. And that's also a part of his character dito. He's also the good son. And then for Savannah, for Bianca, her dynamics with the two, when you watch it, you'll know. I think when you watch it, you'll know. So I don't want to specify because I might spoil it. But definitely, when you watch it, you will really, really, really know.
Wait, I'm curious lang din, how close are your characters to your real-life personalities?
Gaano ka-close? Siguro, malapit sa akin kasi kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Direk May, malapit siya sa nanay niya.
Okay.
Mapagmahal siya sa family niya. And pag meron siyang gustong gawin, gustong abutin, talagang gagawin niya, ibibigay niya 100% best niya. So, malapit din naman talaga.
Okay, you may go out muna.
Thank you po.
Magsi-CR lang si Will.
Okay po.
Go, Will.
Sasama daw po siya dalawa.
Nakakaloka tong cast members. Okay, wait. Oh, sige. Tapos ikaw muna. How close is your character to your real life?
How close is my character?
Adventurous, di ba? Parang ganun eh.
I would say same kami kung paano kami magmahal sa isang tao. Pero yung bigat ng character ko medyo malayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yung bubog niya medyo malayo talaga.
Yeah.
Alright. P?
Ako siguro, sobrang lapit. Nagulat nga ako, parang, wait, okay. Super lapit. As in, Savannah is super close to my heart and she's really close to me. Pero, she's like Bianca, pero siguro mga times 10 or more, times 20, 30 daw. So, parang nung ginagawa ko siya, uuwi ako minsan. Tapos, alam mo yung, pag nagmumuni-muni ka sa shower, with the hot shower, bubble bath pa minsan. How is Savannah's brain wired? Kung ang dami nangyayari sa utak niya, pero but I love her. I love her for being so real. I love her for being so raw, for being so unapologetic. So, yeah, that's her. She's Savannah.
She's Savannah.
She's Savannah.
Okay, our next question is from Miss Franz.
Hello.
Tayo ka please. Thank
Yes, hi. Good evening po. Hi, Bianca. Hi, Dustin. Direct May, ikaw muna. Yan. Miss kita. Hi, Direct May. Kumusta? Okay, kanina, bonggang-bongga. Welcome back to MMFF. The highest grossing MMFF director. So, direct yung
When was your last?
Rewind.
Rewind, yeah.
Siyempre na kanina banggit mo na nakakapanibago mga mga kabatch natin to, direct. So, now my question would be, kasi you've done so many films already, iba-iba yung ano. So, anong challenge yung hinarap mo dito sa film na to? Going into this na, this is the Siyempre, in every project, may challenge talaga. What do you think is the biggest challenge that you face in this project?
Biggest challenge? Well, one, kasi like what I said, they were together in PBB. So, real persons yun. Kahit sila sinasabi nila yun, uy, magtatrabaho na tayo together, aarte na tayo, hindi ito PBB. So, it's reminding them of yung, what's this, yung sa, na acting na to, hindi ito real life. Next is, siguro yung paano, nakakapanibago kasi wala kaming si Bianca lang ang kilala ko talaga dun sa tatlo. So, for me, si Will and si Dustin, first time ko silang makakatrabaho. And then, yung easy naman for me yung sa chemistry kasi there's instant chemistry for both love teams. So, that was the easy part actually kasi meron sila. Ang bilis nila makuha yun yung mga scenes na pagkilig and all. Alam na alam nila yung mga tinginan. Parang parang hindi nila first time. Pero for me, the challenge was, paano nga babalansehin? Paano natin ipipigain pa? Kasi we don't want just, like, okay, kilig. We want them to become, na maging aktor. Hindi lang yung parang, pakilig lang to. This is not just a film with fluff and kilig. This has depth in terms of what the youth are going through, family dynamics. There's a family, the family plays a big role in building the characters, kung ano yung kwento ng mga bawat character dito. So, kailangan paintindi sa kanila yon yung, because they are new and ngayon ko lang sila nakatrabaho. It's honing the craft. The love for acting and also the skills involved. It's not just pakilig. It's not just, we are acting here. Kailangan mong turuan ng malawakan. So yun. So that was maybe for me, one of the biggest challenges. Yun.
Franz, masingit ko lang, no? While Will and Bianca entered, sige, go ahead, Will. Na-direct may si Dustin nakausap ko kanina, nagkaroon kami ng pocket interview kanina, and kinakwento niya sa akin na ang dami-dami niyang natutunan, especially with you. Na parang, ano yung sinabi sa akin, Dustin, na ano yung binagin mo kanina sa pocket interview natin na sinabi ni Direk, you have to trust me?
Well, basically talagang nalabas ni Direk May sa akin yung pagiging isang aktor ko. Kasi baguhan pa lang naman din talaga ako sa industriya, pero si Direk May talaga yung nagtanggal ng fears ko. Siya talaga yung nagbigay ng comfort sa akin sa pag-arte. Siya nagtanggal lahat ng
Walls mo.
walls ko. As in, tapos talagang siyempre, wala naman kaming masyadong time para paulit-ulitin niya sa akin. But then again, ang importante sa akin, ang talagang na-appreciate ko is yung comfort afterwards. Grabe talaga. So,
What an experience, yeah.
Sobra, as in, grabe. Ito yung pinaka talagang malalang experience ata na naranasan ko dito sa industriya.
Si Dustin naman kasi sa sponge.
That's right.
As in, he is so willing to learn. And masarap turuan yung gustong magpaturo.
Tama.
Masarap i-direct yung gusto magpa-direct. Kasi kung hindi willing, kung sarado, you can only go so far. Hindi mo pwedeng mapilit eh. Pero with Dustin, actually the three of them naman, parang sobra yung willingness. Gumulong sa lupa, game. Alam mo yun, parang walang tulog, game. Okay, as in talagang sila. 101%.
Wow.
And I really appreciate that. I think that made my life easier. And kaya nga parang it takes two to tango. So, I can't just do it myself. Kailangan may willingness. And pag sinabing jump, ang sinasagot nila, how high? Yun.
Wow. Impressive. Miss Franz?
Thank you very much, Direk, and congrats. And